Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download and install NetBeans IDE. Before that you need to install Java JDK. Let us see whether in your computer you have Java JDK or not. First off, you have to go to the command prompt cmd and write down here Java version, enter. It shows that Java is not recognized as internal or external command. That means it's not installed on your computer. So to download this, we have to go to the browser and then write on the google.com, where you can search Java JDK download for Windows. Now you can see here Java download circle. Click on it. Now it shows that Java 18 and 17 are available. Here you can see there are different types of platforms: Linux, Mac OS, Windows. Click Windows, and then you can see here bin.exe file. Click on it, but here I have already downloaded it here in downloads, and let us double click on it. Right now Java SE Development Kit 18.0.2 is installing. Now we can go to the installation folder where it has been installed. Java JDK and then bin folder. Now you have to copy this location here and go to the environment variable. It's here, click on it. Now click environment variable. Here you can see path. Click edit and new. Click here new and paste here and OK. Now you have to go to the installation folder again, but right now you have to copy this location. Copy and go to the environment variable again. Click new and write down here capital Java underscore home, and here you can paste the location and click OK. OK and OK. Now we can see again in the command prompt whether it's working or not. Java underscore version. It again shows not recognized because we have to restart the computer. Now we can see we have restarted the computer. We can see now whether it's working or not. Go to the CMD. Now here you can write Java -version. Now it shows that Java version 8.0.2 has been installed, and another command we can use Java C -version. Yes, again it shows 18.0.2. That means we have installed Java JDK successfully. Now the second part is, now Java JDK has been installed. Now let us download NetBeans IDE. I have to go to the browser
and write down here NetBeans download, and here you can click Apache NetBeans releases. And here you can see Apache NetBeans 14. Click on it, download. Here there are different types of downloads, binaries, source and installers. You have to download the binaries. That means you have to download bin.zip. Click on it. I have already downloaded it, and it's in download. You can see I have already downloaded NetBeans. I have extracted it here. Now you have to cut this folder and paste it here in C partition. Now double click on NetBeans folder. Here you can see the bin folder. Click on it. Now you will see here NetBeans.exe and NetBeans64.exe. If you have a 64-bit processor, you have to make this as a shortcut at desktop. Send to desktop, and also you have to pin it to taskbar. Now it's available in both desktop and taskbar. Here you can see shortcut is available here. Double click on it. Now Apache NetBeans is launching. It takes some time to load. Now NetBeans IDE has been launched. So let us create a small project here, file and new project, and there are different categories here. You can create Java with Maven, Java with Cradle, and Java with Ant, and other applications as well. Let us create a Java application here. Click next and write down a name here. For example, my first Java project. Click here, finish. And you can see here the language programming. It's a public static void main string. If you want to print something, for example my first Java program string, you can write down here system dot out dot print bracket start and in inverted commas, and write down here my first Java project, and here you can write semicolon. Let us run it now. Click on it. Now you can see here my first Java project. Our program has been run successfully. This was all about how to download and install NetBeans IDE 14, and I hope you find this video informative, and if you like my video, please subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.